Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Heri Setiawan. You can call me Heri. I'm the third of the three children, and now I am 20 years old, and I was born in Bandung, 1 January 2002. I live in West Bandung. My hobbies are playing football and sleep and other. You about my daily activities. Hi, my name is Heri Setiawan. I was born in Bandung. I'm 20 years old, and I'm college student of STIE STEMBI Bandung, and this is my daily activities. I will not use the time in detail, such as the morning at the time, because every day not erratic. When I wake up in the morning, usually the first thing I see is looking at my handphone to see if an important message come in or something else to work on. After that, I drink water and have breakfast. And after breakfast, I definitely feel like defeating. Then I went to the bedroom and took a shower. Because I am student as well as a worker, and coincidentally my class schedule as employee class in the afternoon, so I use the morning and afternoon to work. After taking a shower, I get ready to go to work and finish the job as best I can. After work, there is little time to rest before starting lecture, but sometimes when I finish work I would try 2 lectures. I'm tired, but this is my right, because I study while working. After finishing college in the afternoon, I can use the evening to do my homework and return to normal morning activities. When it's free time, I usually do fun things like playing games on my handphone, going to tourist attraction with friends, family, girlfriend, or just hanging out with friends at night while watching football together. Thank you. Saya mau batin, capek.